Chuck Sherman's patented whacking tool.
How did he get its name? It's kind of curious.
The whacking tool?
No.
The governor? Because it governs the pressure.
Oh, got it. Okay, as in the verb.
Well, here's an interesting story for you.
Chuck Sherman's story time.
The governor was a spinning set of balls that were here, and they would spin. They were on a shaft, and they would spin, and based on steam pressure. And the more pressure there was, the faster they would spin. And when you got to maximum pressure, the governor would be all the way out, and the term that was used on steam governors was balls to the wall.
Balls to the wall.
Balls
And
to
that's
the wall.
where
That
it
is
came
a
from.
Steam terminology. I was using it in a meeting with a bunch of clients, and one of my guys came out and he said, you know, you've got to stop saying that. That's sexist. And I went, no, it's not sexist. It's actually a steam terminology from the 1800s. And his eyes glazed over. I kept using the term.
I think you should.
I did.
Good.
That's
Go
a good
balls
song
to the wall
too.
on this project. And it was only after he made that comment, I had the visual in my head going, how the hell do you get anything done with your balls to the wall?
Right.
Got to kind of swing them out there.
Well, you're up against the wall. How are you gonna get anything done?
To go back to the question,
Peter's like, okay.
There you go.
Pop. And that's the last one for the tail shaft housing.
Is it?
Yep. He had the other 4.
Ooh, this is really nasty looking.
That's delicious.
It's delightful. It's wonderful.
You should taste it.
No, I'm not that adventurous tonight. Although I did eat a frog once,
All right.
live.
Oh,
Wow.
I saw a lot of colors that night. In my dreams, they were really colorful. What are you looking at me funny for?
Why would you eat
Were you doing
Okay.
code?
an alive
Okay.
frog? Why?
It was there. It was a thing to do.
he must have been some handful for his parents. I was perfectly okay with that.
Handful for parents, handful for wife.
Was it a green frog?
No, it was kind of a brownish frog with like little dark. It was like a tree frog type thing, but it was brownish. This is a little
But,
guy. It didn't really
they
taste.
used to eat goldfish in the 20s? Was it the 20s or something?
Yeah. Well, there's sushi, you know.
Hey.
There it goes. It moved. There it is. Oh, watch your feetsies.
I've got that's actually water.
Yeah.
Why does it feel like there's still something connected? Oh, it's just touching, that's all. All right, so
We need.
I need something to prop the case up so that I can get it. Got to get something under here. I haven't found anything impotent yet.
Impotent.
Is that the governor?
Yeah.
Governor. What? That was funny. Oh. Would you like a spot of tea, Governor?
That is not being cooperative.
All right. Got it out.
We pulled this out before, didn't we?
Yeah. It was farther out than that when you and I were railing on it here a second ago.
Yeah, this should slide back as well.
Should.
And this is that other ring. This is the ring that you had in your hand earlier.
Oh, I see.
So let's do something real quick and measure this one against that one.
Ooh.
We've we've already established that there was wear here. We now can get to this and take this out and see if there's wear there. We pretty much know there's going to be wear there.
You can see the marks too on the drum.
Yeah, the drum has evidence of wear. If you look at it, there's scoring.
This has no marks
yeah.
on it.
All right, this is rusty and it has marks. This is most likely from when we first started driving it again, and we burned off all the rust because this is rust right here. And then this has scoring. You can actually, if you run your fingernail across it, you can feel it. That's not a good sign. Let's compare it to this one over here.
Comparison shot.
Pardon?
Comparison shot.
You don't have to follow me. I'll come back.
No, it's
to it.
fun. It adds excitement.
Oh, this is so much smoother. You can still see the original machining marks as well.
Wow.
So you run your finger across that, and here there's very little
I
noise.
see, but,
Hear that?
Yep. Got to keep it.
And then you go to this one, and it's really rough. There is one more thing in here that you guys haven't seen, which is the clutch that controls the sun. That is what you do. You can control the sun, the planet, or the ring. The bands control the ring gears. The sun, the planets